Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Jamaica's head coach to the IAAF World Relays, Maurice Wilson, is urging local fans not to panic after the team failed to get a gold medal at the event over the weekend. Members of the team returned to the island today. The country finished second in the standings, but got its lowest ever points tally at the event in Yokohama, Japan, on a weekend which saw Jamaica collect only 3 medals. But coach Maurice Wilson says he was impressed with many aspects of the team's performance given the circumstances.
I would have spoken about this from 2017, about our expectations and the transition. We have, I would say, about 80% of youngsters in the team this year, and it is good that they would have gotten the experience. I think we'll be ready for Doha. The team has been preparing steadily. We have used different persons on our relay squads, and we have now been able to see different athletes performing. The team that got the silver medal is a team that did not include Elaine Thompson, Shelley and Fraser Price, and a number of other high-performing athletes. So I know that our local public would have been disappointed, but it's work in progress.
Johan Blake's decision to withdraw from the event was a sore point heading in, and Coach Wilson acknowledges that his absence also played a major role in the results.
Of course, it would have made a great difference, and there are other athletes who have been performing well. Raheem Chambers over the weekend ran 10-0. So obviously we have a number of athletes that will come into that 4x100 meter pool, and they're going to make a big difference.
Jamaica got silver in the women's 4x1s and the men's 4x4s after originally crossing the line third, with second-placed USA being disqualified, while the women's 4x200 meter team was also upgraded to bronze after the US were disqualified from that event.